I am Chanel Matthews and this is Unfiltered. School is where we spend most of our early years. Do you think school prepares us for real life?
Yeah.
No, I don't think so.
Yes and no.
Somewhat.
No, I don't.
Do you think school prepares you for real life?
It does, to a certain extent. Work experience to some extent also kind of meshes. So how you're organized, how you prepare yourself for certain things, meetings, all of these things are starting from like the school. So how you learn things, how you apply those things, those will all help you later in life when you're doing your work.
Somewhat. As it relates to book-wise, you get that from school. And street lessons, you learn them in the street. So as it relates to book, that's school, but not everything. You can rely on school to get the lessons from.
Yes, I do, especially high school, the whole college experience, all that. I feel like just going through first form to fifth form, you experience so much, it changes you. Because the moment you step into high school and the moment you leave high school, you definitely leave a different person. All those experience, all those academic stress, then it turns into monetary stress in a real life. So it definitely does prepare you.
No, I don't. Been through school and see what is happening. No, I don't think that school prepare you for the real world. You can go to school for the education, but for practical things, I don't think it prepare you for the real world, because what they teach you in school is not what is reality. You see out there, they teach you based on book. What is in the book, when you reach out there and on the streets, it's a different thing. You know, they teach you to be kind and all of that. And yes, you can be kind, but there are some things that people will take disadvantage of you. So you have to be practical. You help somebody and they will treat you bad, right? And where school, when like them looking up, treating you outside, what I learned in school is totally different thing from outside.
Yeah, education is the key. But I just show to my people them now getting to work when they have them big education.
No, I don't think so. Because I feel like school sugarcoat what the real world actually is. Being an adult now and in the real world, not what them teach me at school no make sense. Now I work out. Subject CXC, I feel like I do qualifications, but otherwise I'm that. Them not give with the brain power and stuff like that for manage what the real world bring.
It have its place, yes. School it can work, but at the same time, I think experience and knowledge and skills are the better thing. Because having a degree is one thing, but if you don't have the skill set, you can't do the work.
What they teach you in school is basically to go back to school to learn how to come out in the work world. But when you come out in the work world, it's a different thing.